Hi, this is CryptoCoin Investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about Ethereum Classic, and I'll be doing its midterm and long-term analysis. So I'll be taking a look at Ethereum Classic USD charts, BTC charts, and also ETC ETH chart, which you're seeing right now. But let's start with the ETC BTC chart. This is a chart fetched from Polonius cryptocurrency exchange, and let me remove these lines. Okay, so as you can see, since start of 2020, we have been in this huge downtrend, and oh boy, a lot of people have lost their faith in Ethereum Classic, and this is why I am starting to accumulate some Ethereum Classic, because I am a contrarian. If people sell, I buy. If people buy, I sell. And if you can establish this kind of mentality, you will have some gains, because you have to do the opposite. So since the start of November, I have started accumulating some Ethereum Classic. I have started developing a nice bag of Ethereum Classic because I think it has a bright future. The IOHK has started developing stuff on it, and they are doing a lot of they are pushing clients like Mantis, which they claim will prevent 51% attacks, which has been a huge problem for this very blockchain. So against the Bitcoin, we can see that we have been in this massive downtrend. We went from 0.0013, and oh boy, and we have gone down nearly 80%, almost 80% since the beginning of 2020. So that's a lot of loss for you guys. But on the flip side, it's a great time. You can buy the bottom, because the BTCD, the Bitcoin dominance, is on the verge of falling really hard, and coins like these, where the holders have almost given up, they have sold their coins for Bitcoin or whatever coin. These are the coins which are going to pump. So coins like Ethereum Classic, Dash, these are the coins which are going to pump. Recently, Stellar Lumens pumped a lot because a lot of people had given up, and I have been accumulating a lot of Stellar Lumens since March, and I recently got out at around 22 cents. It was a hell of a ride. I made a lot of profit, accumulated a lot of Stellar at around 5 or 6 cents, sold all of it at 22 cents. Yes, it can go up, but I don't like to marry my bags. I moved on to other projects like Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Dash for now, which are yet to pump. Anyway, so against the Bitcoin, we have been in this downtrend, and let me enable this chart. Let me enable this indicator called Ichimoku. So this gives us an idea where the resistance is and where the support levels are. So we are below this blue and red line, which normally acts as support if you are above it. But if you are below these two lines, they will start acting as resistance. So we are below these lines, and we can clearly see that this blue line has been acting as resistance. So we have resistance currently at 0.0037, so 37,000 sats. And after that, we have resistance at 50,000 sats. So yeah, these are the resistance levels right now. These are the short-term resistance, but we have some major resistance at 93,000 sats. This would be like your long-term target. And between 50,000 sats and 93,000 sats, I also see 73,000 sats as a heavy resistance zone. The MACD is clearly about to curl up to the green side. The sellers are clearly out of gas, I would say, and I think we are going to pump really hard against Bitcoin. At least I expect a pump to 0.005, so at least 50,000 sats would be my first target, and then my final target would be at around 72,000 sats. So I'll be out at 72,000, and I will start selling after 50,000 sats. So here, and maybe I'll keep a 10% moon bag, which I can sell at 90,000 sats or something, but I don't think I will keep my Ethereum Classic coins for that long. A lot of good news is coming from the Ethereum Classic. Let's do a comparison of Ethereum Classic against the US dollar. So for that, I'll open the ETC USD chart. ETC, where is it? ETC USD chart. So this is again fetched from the Polonius cryptocurrency exchange, and you can see that we are meeting some heavy resistance zone. We are facing some heavy resistance at at around $6.1. But if we are able to close above it, the next resistance is at around $6.34. Once we are able to close above the $6.34, $6.36 level, I am pretty sure in no time we will reach $8.1, because that's the region of heavy resistance for the Ethereum Classic. After that, we have resistance at around $10 and then $11. After that, sky's the limit for Ethereum Classic. I'm very bullish on Ethereum Classic because a lot of development is happening. So let's take a look at Ethereum Classic ETH. Many of us like to trade our Ethereum for Ethereum Classic, and that is why I'm going to discuss this coin. So against the Ethereum, we have been in this strong downtrend since the end of January, and recently we have started to develop this bottoming pattern. On the MACD, the RSI is totally oversold. We are on the verge of making a proper V-shaped recovery on the ETH pair, and I think we will be making some excellent gains on this pair. So the next resistance is at 0.12. After that, 0.019. There is absolutely no resistance between 0.012 and 0.018. After that, we have resistance at 0.42. So yeah, this level, there's not much resistance between 0.019 and 0.04. So those are the levels to look out for if you are trading your Ethereum against Ethereum Classic. The MACD looks very promising. The RSI shows that we are totally oversold. There's so much upside, but this is going to be a mid to long-term trade. It can take some time if you want to sell your coins at these levels. So it takes some patience if you want to sell your coins at the top. I will probably start selling my coins after 0.02. I'll slowly start selling here. Then I do expect, some resistance at this level as well, when we will be about to enter this red cloud, which normally acts as resistance. So 0.025, that is also where I expect some resistance. After that, not much resistance in 0.025 and 0.041. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you like this video. Give this video a like. That's all I want from you guys. Nothing else, just a like. And just subscribe for more cryptocurrency, ICO, IEO news, and price analysis. Bye bye.